So guys, you're welcome once again over here. This is how to fix art suitability or limited to art on a video when you get to your YT studio. So this is very simple, but before we start, please tap on the subscribe button, like, and also share this video with your friends. So without wasting much time, let's start. So let me start from the scratch. I want to start from so when you get to your YT studio, this is it, your YouTube studio. Then you tap on the content. So tap on this content over here. So when you tap on it, you're going to see it. So this is it. So when you find it, just tap on it. The video that shows that limited art. So you just want to tap on it. To fix this problem, you have to make sure your visibility is on unlisted, or you can do it private. Do you get me? So after getting it fixed, you're going to set it to public for people to see. Do you get me? So after setting it private or unlisted, tap on this section and you're going to see this, and you have to scroll down and you're going to see at suitability. Then tap on request review. So when you tap on request review, this is going to pop up, request human review. Then you tap on, you take this place, and when you take it, you're going to see submit request in white color. So you just tap on the submit request and you can see it's submitting. So request submitted. So after doing this, you have to wait for some while. It can take 1 hour, it can be 2 hours, 5 hours, 10 hours, 24 hours, 48 hours, as long. Do you get me? So that's how to fix this problem. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video.